Hi everyone, my name is Anike and I would like to talk to you about health issues and solutions. Let me just go straight to the point. I don't want to waste time. If you notice that your urine is changing color or being foamy, even if it's bubbles, they do say bubbles is different from foamy urine, but I would say they're just five and six, that they're the same thing, just in different formats. If your urine is foamy, if your urine is having coloration, I'm going to try to recommend three things. You don't have to take them together, but these are three things that would definitely work. And the last one will be the best of it, like the main thing. The first thing I'll recommend is, in no particular order, the first two in no particular order, is carrots. We all know what carrot is. This is a typical carrot. But here in the United Kingdom, you've got to be careful the type of carrots you buy, because to me, I kind of sense, unhealthy carrots that smell. So I'm gonna show you. There was a time I do eat carrot, like buy, and if I don't clean it properly and I ingest it, I fall sick easily. So I now to painstakingly cleaned it at some point, and I used salt. I use salt. We all know that salt is a good disinfectant. Or very very good to remove germs and things like that. So I use salt and hot water, and you will be surprised at what happened. It happened the first time and it happened the second time, so I had to take a picture of the second one. I scraped it also, not just using salt and hot water. I also scraped the skin of the carrot, and this is actually what I got. Can you imagine carrots that look so clean, just like that, what I just showed you, and the residue, the water, is as dark as this. So you got to be careful, and that's because I could perceive even from the carrots that it was actually smelling, and that's what they have in the stores. That's what they have in departmental stores. So that's the first thing. Carrots is good. And don't forget, I think I've already said ahead of time that, assuming without considering that you're hydrated, so all things being equal, you're hydrated, but your urine is foamy and it's having coloration. Now on Google, you're gonna see that if you take carrots, it creates coloration, as far as I'm concerned. And also, apart from Google, I've had somebody else say that, but personally, I beg to differ, that if you take carrots, it's going to cause coloration in your urine. Rather, it's the reverse, as far as I'm concerned, practically speaking, that carrots even clears your urine rather than causes coloration. The second on the line is this onion. You can see this looks very clean, right? So, but there are some onions that is sell these days in the departmental stores that are black, dark, honestly speaking, and they also smell. Sometimes I have to wrap them up in nylons. That's when I'm desperate to have onions. I wrap them up in nylons because they're smelling of chemicals right from the departmental stores. And these are clean onions, but the ones I bought before these ones were black and smelly with chemicals. I'm going to show you the picture. And I'm just saying, because if you buy something with hopes that your health is going to get better and it get worse, then you know where the issue is coming from. So this is these onions. I hope it should. Yeah, you can see how black they were. You can see this is just the remaining out of, so black, as if, I mean, and this is just the best as I went, because I had to painstakingly check what I was picking, that at least I shouldn't pick the worst. So this was almost like the best of the best of the black onions, which are very, very unhealthy. So onion is good, but not this kind of black onions that they sell in departmental stores these days for whatever reasons, and not just black, but smelling of chemical. Now the third one I'm going to talk about is this. This is pomegranate. I hope I pronounced it well. So I'm going to talk about this some other time on some other health issues. But right now, these are the three things I can recommend to you and which you can make do with. Thank you. I hope that helps you. Remember, be good, do good, speak the truth, and don't do wickedness. Thank you and bye-bye.